So question 11 is a cumulative frequency plot of the time pupils take to complete a puzzle. We've got 60 pupils under test, and this is the resultant graph. And from those results, we've been asked to produce a box and whisker plot. Okay, well, the first thing to do is to recognise the fact that we've got 60 pupils, so the median, halfway up, will be halfway between 0 and 60, 30. So the median's value will be, reading off the scale at the bottom, 54. Now let's have a look at Q3. Q3's value will be found by splitting the distance between 30 and 60, which is 45, and we get a value of 64. And Q1, exactly the same way, this will be at the 15 mark, and will give a value of 42. Now we're told that the least time taken by one of the students was 24 seconds and the maximum 96. So that gives us the range, 24 up to 96. So we can now pop these results onto our plot. Let's first of all put on the limits. Here's 24 and here's 96. Q1 at 42, Q3 at 64, and the median at 54. So completing the box and extending out to the whiskers, I reckon that would be the box plot of the results as shown.